provides unbelievable flexibility for your job applications. Indoors, outdoors, vertical, horizontal, new construction, existing slabs. The possibilities are endless. Incidentally, this quality system is insensitive to radical temperatures and has been successfully installed in various temperature zones throughout the world. But beautiful applications like these just aren't possible without the proper know-how. The purpose of this video is to show you proper installation techniques that will result in beautiful, sparkling jobs that will complement surrounding decor and turn a dull, stained driveway, pool deck, patio, or walkway into a work of art. Commercial applications also present a very lucrative market. Let me give you an example. Southcrete Spray Deck was the system of choice for the pool deck renovation of the beautiful Hampton Inn in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The existing deck shows an abundance of pockmarks, some large enough to present a real hazard to barefoot bathers, particularly children, and staining is evident throughout the deck area. We've established a workstation just outside a pool entrance, and all of the mixing of materials will be done here. While this job gets underway, let's visit a pool home where we'll be doing a complete step-by-step installation of one of the many Southcrete Spray Deck template systems. From the condition of the deck, we've got quite a job ahead of us. The cool deck surface is badly stained, and a couple of cracks are in evidence. Before we begin, we first establish a workstation adjacent to the job, where we'll place all the materials and equipment we'll be using for the application. This allows us to keep the area clean during the entire installation process. You'll note we're spraying water under the mat to prevent the grass from discoloring. The secret of successful installation of any spray or overlay installation is proper surface preparation. What we're doing from this point on will encompass every step of the right way to go through the installation process. Since 2 cracks in the deck were noted, we'll address these first. Here, we're routing out the cracks in preparation for use of the Southcrete 1100 crack suppression system. To minimize the chances of reappearance of the cracks, we're cutting a control line near each crack in an attempt to relieve the stress that was the initial cause of the cracking. Prior to the acid wash, we're using a hydro scrub, which attaches to most pressure washers. This removes surface contamination in an even manner, covering approximately 2 feet of surface with each pass. For the acid wash, we're using a solution of 4 parts water to 1 part acid, remembering always to add the acid to the water, not the reverse. Now we apply this solution with a perforated plastic pail. A plastic sprinkling can may also be used. As the solution effervesces, we spread it evenly around the area with a stiff bristled broom. At this point, we pressure clean again in order to remove the residue caused by the acid concrete reaction. Is the surface neutral now? We'll perform a pH test to make sure. On the damp concrete surface, we apply a strip of litmus paper and wet it down with distilled water. We use the color wheel to determine the pH, and here we find the color to be well within the acceptable range. In the event the pH is still in the acidic range, we recommend flushing the surface with a mild solution of baking soda and water, rinsing once again with the pressure washer.